All right, guys, call me the queen of overpacking. So this is my wardrobe edition. Since green, white, and red is the theme, because that's one of the night parties that they wanted, I said the whole wardrobe is going to be green, white, and red. So I got the red purse from Amazon. It's an anti-theft purse because the opening is in the back. It's a backpack, and you can also wear it over one shoulder. Then I got this Coach bag at one of the Coach factories on sale. I believe I got this in Jersey, and then Atlantic City. And then the green one, I got that on 6th Avenue around 31st Street, where you get a lot of clothing items, and a lot of times they resell them. You can buy them and then sell them, but I buy them and keep them. That's me. So as far as shoes are concerned, these are galoshes that I'm pointing to. I had these packed because rain is expected and I don't want my shoes to get wet, so I packed that. These white sneakers, as you guys know, I did not have them on when I was traveling with the suitcase. I had the green sneakers on instead. All right, then I have the red sandals and these sparkly sandals. I got these from Temu, I believe, either Temu or Shein, one of them. Both the sparkly ones and then the red. And then these blue ones, I got them at a discount store called Odd Job Lot in my area, in my city. These are for the beach. Okay, so that's all I packed. This is all I packed. Honestly, in hindsight, I probably could have left the galoshes at home and just wore the blue water shoes out. So now we come over here. And so this is one of my shirts, right? And I normally wear something underneath it besides just a bra. And then this is lace shorts. I like these because I don't have to iron them. So these are the green pants that I wore at the airport. And then this is the green shirt. I know it doesn't look the same. I'm looking in the camera and it looks different. The shirt looks a little bit more blue, but trust me, it's actually green. Okay, so that's what I have there. Then, as far as active wear, basically 5 t-shirts, because this is an 11-day cruise. 5 t-shirts is basically what I have packed. And then I have on a biker shorts now and another biker shorts. You can also swim in these too, but that's really it. The other drawer is underwear, which, you know, you're not going to get too much of a view for that. Okay, so now you can call me the queen of overpacking. So this shirt, I bought this because they're going to have a 70s night. And so since this shirt is bohemian inspired, I said, all right, let me pack that for the 70s night. Then I just have this green t-shirt here. Okay. Then the rest are just red shirts. The green shirt, I probably got this at Denise's for $3. And then this shirt, I got this on Shein. And then the rest of the shirts are all from Shein. Okay, including this Western one. I like this because you don't have to iron it. This, well, I can wear it unironed. This, honestly, I could wear unironed too. But anyway, that's it. Now I have dresses. So this dress, I do not have to iron it, so that's why I like it. It is a floor length dress. And then I have this one also, even though it has a little wrinkle in it, I don't have to iron this particular dress. It has like an umpire waist. This dress I actually oh, by the way, this dress, this red one, where did I get this? I believe I got this on Shein. This I got at, we used to have $10 stores back in the day. I got that from there. This, I recently bought this from Walmart. This, again, it has wrinkles in it, but honestly, it's like, it goes with it. Most people not even going to see or notice that it has wrinkles. Plus, I'm going to get up and sit down so often, probably doesn't even matter. This shirt I probably should have left at home. Because it's a little bit short. It fits, but it's short, and it's a little close to the body, but it's lace. It needs to be ironed, but I might pass on it because I don't know if I'm going to wear it, honestly. So now you have this. It's like a beach cover-up, but I pretty much wear this shirt a lot of times as a dress. Sometimes I put tights or something, or a short capri pants underneath it. I'm going to get this ironed. This dress is for the white party that we're having. I'm definitely getting this ironed. Even though when it falls, it doesn't really look too much like it needs it, but yeah, I'm going to get that done. Then we have these capri pants. Then we have this skirt, which I'm not sure if I'm going to wear. And then underneath that is this dress, which, ooh, yeah. Both of them need ironing. Whichever one I decide to wear is going to need ironing. The skirt goes with the green shirt that you saw earlier. And I can also wear it with the white shirt. Now, this green dress, yeah, it needs ironing, but it's like at the bottom. This I got from Walmart. It doesn't really need it that drastically. I might get it done anyway. Then this dress, to be honest, I believe I got this from Amazon. Yeah, I'm gonna iron this. This is for my elegant night, right? I'm not doing, anything super fancy. Then these are my capri red pants, and then this is my red skirt, and that's all I bought. Am I gonna iron this red skirt? No, because what happens is you sit and then it gets squashed up anyway, so it's like, well, what's the point? So guys, so that's pretty much what I bought when it comes to wardrobe. Oh, forgot my hat, which I'm gonna wash, but I'm gonna wash it by hand. Yeah, I don't really need it though because it is too warm out there for that. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope I inspire you not to do what I do and to pack less. All right, over and out.